Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. Another garden update video. It is August the 20th, 2022. Sweet potatoes have just gone crazy. I've actually trimmed them off the sidewalk this morning, and I've got me a tub full of water. All the cuttings over here. I'm going to try to pot some up. I did replant this where the red potatoes were. We got some we've got some beets coming up there, and then planted some spinach here, maybe one or two coming up, not much. The 3 okra over here are doing great. The grape tomatoes still producing. Roma tomatoes are doing great as well. Best we've ever had. I mean, they're just loaded. We actually picked some ripe ones this morning. Post a little video at the end of what we picked this morning. Grape tomatoes, I mean, they're well over 6 foot. The jalapenos still producing. They're just loaded down. Been picking them. Banana peppers, same way. Red bells, getting a few of those. Got, I don't know, 8 or 10 on the plant. Green bells, those 4 plants have done great. Probably the best year I've ever had with peppers and tomatoes. Probably needs to be picked, starting to turn. Brussels sprouts. This thing is finally starting to produce, which did a little research. I guess it's 120 days. 100 to 120 days for Brussels sprouts, and you pick them the first frost. Didn't know that. Miss Nikki wants in. Did replant this. I got some basil and cilantro planted here, hadn't popped up yet. Had some onion sets that were going bad, so I went ahead and planted those here. They're popping up pretty good. Pulled the cucumbers down since last video and replanted, and they're not sprouting yet. Only thing we got sprouting is some cherry tomatoes where they've fallen, and they've just gone crazy. That's 7 foot every bit. Okra's doing alright down there, nothing great. The razzmatazz, grapevine growing a little bit. Sunflowers, I've just let the birds pretty much pick through them. The cardinals and sparrows, they love the sunflowers and the grape tomatoes. But those are cherry tomatoes there. Green beans, finally getting some green beans off the pole beans. First year growing pole beans, and we have picked some this morning and some a few days ago. And the asparagus, it's actually putting off new shoots here and there. Sorry about the air conditioner noise, but I think it's gonna do all right. Maybe. Did replant these. We got a few lettuces have popped up. More onions. Some kohlrabi there, 1 row in the middle, and a couple rows of radishes and carrots. Pretty much did, I think, 4 different varieties of carrots in this bed, and it does look like they've germinated more than what we did get in the spring, so hopefully we'll have more carrots. Probably 6 or 7 pounds of yellow onions. That's all the red onions. Couple pounds, some green beans, Roma tomatoes, and regular tomatoes. And that's the little basket I got off Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up and please subscribe. Have a great day.